What is going on, YouTube? My name is Rossmann and you are watching Tross Films. This video is about exploring a little section of Minnesota known as Lebanon Hills. It's a regional park in the backyard of pretty much where I grew up. I adventured to this area with two of my longtime friends, Nick and Dominic. I've been friends with them since elementary school, all the way back when we were little wee 5-year-olds in kindergarten. They have never been in a video, and I know that Dominic's really been excited to be in one, so here you are. This is your shining moment. This is about a 5-minute bike ride actually from where I live. So every video you see of my house, this is pretty much right in my backyard. So it's pretty remarkable, this area that we went to. During this time, it was really fun to explore on the trails. As you will see here in this video, there's lots of fun paths. This is also the first time I'm using my new GoPro Hero, so that was really exciting to use. Without further ado, let's get into the action.
You ready, Dominic?
And there we go. I hope you enjoyed that little montage of our journey around the lake and the regional park itself. The red chair just got in, so I'm going to definitely be making a video about the unboxing of that. So you will see my brand new red chair. Until next time, my name is Rossmann. Thank you so very much for taking the time out of your day to watch. Really does mean a lot, and I'll catch you on my next adventure. Peace out from Arizona. Watch out.